Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing calculus. One of the basic definitions in calculus employs the concept of ratios. Now, in calculus, unlike in algebra, we often deal with gradients and slopes of shapes or other geometric shapes which are complex in nature. Suppose you are to find the derivative of the following function. So our function is f of x is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7. Now, given the scope of this function and we need to find the derivative of this function itself, what we need to do is to actually first start expressing our derivative in terms of f prime x is equals to, when the limit of h, when h approaches 0, of f of x plus h raised to the second power minus f of x, close bracket, all divided by h. Now remember, h in this instance cannot be equals to 0. Now we want to find the derivative of this function. Moving forward, so we're going to have our limit when h approaches 0. Integrating this into our function, notice what happens. So where x is, we have substitute x plus h raised to the second power, in this case, minus 4. Where x is, we substitute x plus h, so we have x plus h minus 7, this is our constant in the original function, minus the actual function itself, x squared minus 4x plus 7, close bracket, and all of this is divided by h. It's equals to the limit when h approaches 0. Now, notice now I have in my expression, I have x plus h raised to the second power. When you distribute, you get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h minus 7 minus x squared plus 4x minus 7. All of this is divided by 7h. Is equals to the limit when h approaches 0. Now notice some of these terms will cancel out, especially the ones which bear x. So we have x which just purely bear x. So we have x squared in this case, and x squared. So in fact, x squared minus x squared gives us 0. So what we remain with 2xh h plus h squared. Now again, another term that cancels out is negative 4x, this one here, and positive 4x. So negative 4x plus 4x gives us 0. So that cancels out as well. And what we remain with is negative 4h. And lastly, our constant also cancels out. So we have negative 7. In fact, this 7 is actually positive. This 7 is positive. This 7 was positive. This is positive there. And then that is also positive. Now, because of that, positive 7 subtract 7 gives us 0. And all of this divided by h. So notice now our common factor is simply h. So I'm going to have h as our factor. So we have 2x, that's what we remain with, plus h minus 4, close bracket, all divided by h. Now this h, the numerator and this factor cancels out because that's what we are finding, the difference quotient. And then lastly, the derivative of this function, the given function, this function here, dy dx is equals to 2x plus h minus 4. And that, in a nutshell, is our derivative. Remember,
it's 20 hours.
H cannot be equals to 0. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my content so that I can continue creating more educational videos such as these. Don't forget to drop a comment below so that I can be able to highlight certain pointers relating to calculus. With practice, this exercise should be exciting. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.